Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Huawei Band to your phone. First, download the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and ready to pair. Finally, ensure your Huawei Band has at least 20% battery life to avoid interruptions during the setup process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Now let's get your devices talking. Open the Huawei Health app on your phone. Look for the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap Add Device, and then select Smart Bands from the categories presented. Finally, find and tap on your exact Huawei Band model, like the Huawei Band 8, to initiate the pairing sequence. This step links your band to the app. Once you've selected your band, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the band itself. Confirm this request on both devices to proceed. The app will then ask for various permissions, such as access to notifications and location. Grant these for full functionality. After confirmation, your Huawei Band will begin synchronizing data, including steps and heart rate, with your phone, typically within a few seconds. If you encounter any connection problems, don't worry. First, try restarting both your phone and your Huawei Band. This often resolves minor glitches. If that doesn't work, consider clearing the Huawei Health app's cache and data in your phone settings. Lastly, always ensure both the app and your band's firmware are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.